Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2003 to 2009 4Runner. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Using a grinder or plasma cutter, cut off the old crossmember. Step 3. Grind down the frame for your rust and debris revealing bare metal. Then, spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust. Step 4. Place the included mounting plate up to the frame and mark off its install zone, followed by welding it into place. Step 5. Align the crossmember with the mounting plates. Then, weld it into place. Finally, spray the part with primer to help prevent against any further corrosion. Reinstall the tire hoist with the supplied hardware. Then you're done!